My name is Saul. I'm a mortgage broker. I'm based in Sydney, but I can serve anyone anywhere in Australia. This video is about how you could become a property millionaire in 2021. Okay. Yeah, this is not a financial advice. Okay. I'm like I always happy to share everything I know with my audience. That's why I'm doing this. Okay. And this is not a financial advice again. Okay. Okay. um Someone I know, he started young and he became a property millionaire by age 29. But you don't have to start young, but that after certain number of years, depending on what you're doing, you could become a property millionaire or billionaire. Okay. But then the method I'll tell you in this video will help you become one. Okay. Okay. So everybody start out with the property they live in, or they live somewhere they want to live and buy something to rent it out. At least they own one. Everybody start with one. Okay. But then in the beginning, you look for in the beginning of your property journey, you look for the property that have good rental yield. Okay. So what does that mean? Rental yield is the rental income. So how to work out rental yield is your annual rental income divided by property value multiplied by 100. That gives you rental yield. Okay. So in the beginning, you should look for property that have at least 5% rental yield. 5% is pretty good. 8 to 9% is a superstar. Okay. So usually if you have high rental yield, that means your property value don't go up as much. But if you also want a property that go up in value, then you should buy in a good location, but you should have additional income producing asset in your property. That means a granny flat or two property in one, or you rent room by room instead of the whole house. So there are many ways you could have a good rental yield plus a good um, property growth in value. Okay. Okay. So you start with that, so you have good borrowing power to continue on buying. Okay. And then you move into property that you look for the property that have a room for growth. That means it's not a rundown property like property the property which is you still able to live but that need improvement. So you buy in the same market, you sell in the same market, so you need to manufacture the growth. That means you buy something you could renovate. Okay. And then so you can ask for discount, so you make money when you go in and then renovate it as need be. You should still work full time and do renovation part time or hire people to do it. And then when you finish renovating, revalue your property with the banks, because you want to refinance and take out equity, right? So you do your valuation with the banks. Come to us, we'll let you do with a few banks, and then we go for the bank with the highest value. Okay. So you get equity out to buy another property. You also make profit on the one that you renovate. Okay. That's how you grow your property portfolio. Okay. So the more property you have, the more your wealth grow. Okay. So That's how you grow your wealth with the property portfolio. Okay, I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, I ask you to please like and share it. All my contact details are in the post. You know, if your friend or someone you know come to me and give me your name and number, I'm happy to give both of you a gift travel voucher that don't have any expiry date until activation. You know, so yeah, please come to me. I don't charge you fee. I not only give you the home loan, I look after you all through the property journey until you become successful. Of course, you have to listen to me. You have to stick to the rule. You need principle, like you need discipline, etc. Okay, um, someone I know, he just worked in Woolworths. You know, he's a supermarket guy, but he owns 17 properties. He's a property billionaire because, you know, he probably started the right time. He have a discipline, you know, and yeah, so anyone could do it. Okay, okay. Have a good night. Bye.